Alright, this is the elevator here at Dick's Sporting Goods.
At Woodbridge Center.
This used to be Galyan's, and it's a Schindler HT.
Regular HT. Here it is. Two. One.
Ew, look at all that crustiness on the phone and the
Call
cancel buttons. That's disgusting. Basic Dick's Sporting Goods elevator.
This is the second Dick's Sporting Goods elevator we've seen in one day. I've never seen two Dick's elevators in one day before. Even though I'm already familiar with both.
What's the capacity on this?
2,500.
Alright.
Let me ring the bell.
And that's it.